In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see time in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to know exactly where you are in your timeline while editing, this is a very simple setting to check. Being able to see the current time clearly can make it much easier to trim clips, line up edits, and stay accurate while working on your project. To begin, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the timeline you want to work with. This is the area where your clips are arranged and where you do your main editing. Once you're in the timeline, look toward the top left area of the timeline panel. You should see a set of numbers displayed there. In most cases, those numbers represent the timecode. The timecode shows the current position of your playhead in the timeline, which means it tells you the exact timing of the spot you're currently on. As you move the playhead left or right, those numbers will update automatically, so you can always track your position with precision. If the display is already showing the timing the way you need it, then you're all set. But if it's not displayed as time or it appears in a format that isn't helpful for what you're trying to do, you can change it very quickly. Just right-click directly on that number display in the top left of the timeline. A small menu will appear. From that menu, click on timecode. As soon as you do that, the display will switch so you can see the current timing in your timeline more clearly. That's really all there is to it. It's a small feature, but it can be very useful, especially when you need to jump to a specific moment in your edit or keep track of exact timing during playback. One helpful tip is to move your playhead around after changing the setting, just to confirm that the time updates the way you expect. This makes it easier to understand how DaVinci Resolve is displaying your timeline position and helps you work faster once you get used to it. So anytime you need to see the time you're currently at in DaVinci Resolve, just go to your timeline, check the number display in the top left, and if needed, right-click it and select timecode. After that, you'll be able to monitor your timeline timing with no problem.